Hey guys, DJ Lockpicks here, coming to you with a new lock, Ace, 50 millimeter. Works perfectly. It's one of those locking pawl locks, so it's probably susceptible to shimming. Here's what the bitting looks like. I'll get that to focus. There we go. It's a nice low cut pin, first pin that is. Seem to have a lot of luck with that. I'm having a lot of trouble tensioning this lock. Some bottom of the keyway likes to get stuck in there and bind up the cylinder. So I'm going to use a thing out of my kit that I've never used, and you probably never used either. It's this strange tweezer-like looking thing. I did some research on it, and it turns out it's supposedly a tension tool. So I'm going to see if I can't wedge that in the top of the keyway there. And let's see if we can't get this thing picked. Sorry for the awkward camera angle here. Try to stay out of your way best I can. Sorry. Reset. It's kind of an awkward angle for me, so it's I might have to try to get all up in your face. Hopefully you can still see. There we go, there's a false set. So we got a little false in there. See if we can't keep going. There's another one. I guess I'll try to get on the pins, or whatever pin is binding, and kind of get out of your way and then push it up. So hold on, I lost my spot. Now I gotta figure out where I am. It's hard to feel feedback in your thumb. But there it is. It's been picked with a hook and this weird, funky tension tool. So now I can't even get it out of there. It's kind of like a springy tweezer-like thing. If anybody knows if that's what that's for, I have no idea. It was in a Southord MPXS20 kit. Yeah. Oh, well, there it is. It worked, and it helped me get through the lock. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and be legal.